y'all know if I pull that camera out, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's time. You know if I pull that camera out, it's time, man. It's time, man. What we doing today, though, JC? Like, what you doing today? Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Y'all ready to see what I got, bro? Y'all hear me peeling back plastic, man? Y'all ready, bro? You know what I'm saying, man? We drop big air freshener, man. You know what I'm saying? End of the video, man. Open this up, put it in your car. Now your car smells good. End the video. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse. It's your boy JCTV, and I'm out. Man, y'all know I'm just talking, man. If y'all don't, something wrong with y'all, man. You don't Larry me who's right there. Can't show y'all too much, though. Hold on. Got y'all. Oh, man. Big boxy oxy. You know what I'm saying, bro? Man, y'all know we finna put big WickerBill on, man. You know we air freshener mark. Come on, man. Y'all should know me better than that, man. Way better than that. Gotta find my drill bits, though, because, you know, they're all over the toolbox. My doing. We finna put that WickerBill on, man. You know, y'all folks be going to these mechanics, get the car worked on. I understand, man. I get it, but you paying money for something you can do at home, shorty. And all you need is a drill, and guess what? It come with the rivet gun. You order the right one. Y'all just don't know, man. Finna go ahead and put y'all on game. Now y'all know my head mount ain't in yet, so I can't like show y'all like the whole thing, like, you know, drilling the holes, lining it up, blase this, blase that. But I can show y'all how to put them rivets in, because that's where a lot of people seem to struggle at and seem to have an issue. But if you, sorry if I'm making too much noise. If you start off right by doing it the way that I do, my dog, get you straight. Now, if you're dumb, I shouldn't say dumb. If you ain't got it all in the head, man, don't try it. You will be buying a new spoiler. Can't lie, I had bought a spoiler for this car. That's a new one. I had bought a spoiler for this car. No lie. And put the WickerBill, was putting the WickerBill off Mango on the car, and the spoiler was trash. I ain't gonna lie to you, the spoiler was trash. I put it on, man. It went straight through the top of the spoiler, man. I said, yeah. Sold the WickerBill. One, you feel me? Didn't even want to deal with it no more. But today, now that the camera's on, it's gonna do right. Cause if it don't, I'm selling the car. So I'll be real, y'all. You need your pilot hole first, right? So you gotta get you a little small drill bit. Get your small one first, man. You need your pilot hole for the big one. Now, how I do it, cause most people gonna go with like something that's oversized. On accident though, like you're not gonna intentionally do it. So get you a drill bit that's gonna fit straight into the rivet. Like see how it fits straight into the rivet? Well, not directly straight into it, but see how it's like the same width as the rivet. That's gonna be the one that you use to drill your holes. Now, if your rivet don't fit in, which it's not going to, that's okay. Take your drill and wiggle it around a little bit. Now, see, you can also go with this one too, but I'd rather go smaller than I would bigger first, because then I won't have to worry about putting the wrong thing in. Wow, this went left fast. My mind. I'd rather go with a smaller drill bit first than to go with the one that's a direct fit, because you could take one that's smaller and just get the drill and create your own circle. If you know how to do it. Like, if you don't know how to do it, please don't do it. Please don't. Because I don't need you coming back on my videos and my comments saying JC's a buffoon. He don't know what he's talking about. No, you just didn't do it right. So, I'll show y'all how to get these holes drawn up first. Then we'll focus on what's important, which is getting that WickerBill on. Once y'all take y'all WickerBill out, go ahead and put it up to the car. Now, y'all know me, man. Y'all know I'm big PS Designs, man. So if you ain't with PS Designs for WickerBill, I don't know who you're with. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where y'all get. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where y'all getting it from. Shout out to PS Design, man. Live is WickerBill maker out there, man. So when you put your WickerBill up here, right, you want to place it in the spot that you're comfortable with. Now, what I do, I always line up the two with like the 2 middle holes with something. So if it's even on one side, it's gonna be even on the other. So let me do that now. So I'm walking in the house. I ain't trying to say all my crib. So the first thing you want to do is get you like a Sharpie, like this right here, right? Now, only reason I say get a Sharpie is because if you feel like your judgment's off or whatever the case may be, it's a Sharpie. It'll come off. You get a Sharpie, right? You get a Sharpie and you draw your holes on where you're gonna put, where you're gonna put the WickerBill. So in my case, by my spoiler having this little lip, I have to judge based off where the lip starts, not where it ends. So I need to be putting my holes around this area right here. Yeah, around this area. Excuse my hands, I just got off work. So first thing you need to grab is a Sharpie. The second thing you need to grab is your actual WickerBill. So I'm finna go ahead and open this up and show y'all how to go from there. You said I ain't gonna lie, when I think about it now, some teach y'all a trick, right? So when you put on the WickerBill, a lot of times the WickerBill, and I say this for every WickerBill, not just PS Designs. If you put too much tension in them, it'll cause the outer bolts to not want to go in. So like, for example, I put my WickerBills on backwards. I go from the outside in instead of going from the inside out, because you'll put so much tension on these outer edges. You go inside out, that it won't line up with both completely. Now, a lot of this has to do with the fact that my spoiler isn't all the way on, but got that issue fixed. I didn't have a chance to record it because I was also trying to, make sure that I get it on right. But I mean, it's my flashlight. My phone finna die. That's why I was doing what it's doing. My phone finna die, so I'm finna go ahead and bolt this up, charge my phone, and then come back to this. Yeah, where your mom's at? Huh? Where your mom's at? Nah, for real, man. Finished product, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and finish explaining y'all what y'all do, though. So you start off with a small bit, and then you go to a bigger bit. I personally don't like to get the exact, the size bit that is an exact fit, because there's always that possibility of you messing up. I like to get the smaller one and work my way to it being the size that it needs to be. Now, by this being a 2014 Charger, the rear ends on these cars are square, so you also have to equate for that depending on which spoilers you got. Now, luckily, my spoiler's not all the way bolted down, so I have room to play with, which is why you see it's not touching the trunk at all whatsoever. But for somebody who does have it touching their trunk, there's really no way to fix that. Honestly, truthfully, just be careful. I will say that because it will scratch your trunk. The reason I took my taillights out is because when I tinted my taillights, I didn't have enough tint to finish tinting the middle, so now I'm doing the middle. By the way, that is spray on tint. We don't do that wrap vinyl stuff. I say that, and I'm also wrapping the stripes underneath the taillights so they have a solid fit. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the video. How to install a WickerBill. Like I said, it's a pretty simple thing, If you don't trust yourself doing it, you can always bring it to me. But if y'all want an in-depth tutorial on, what to do if you mess up or anything, y'all can let me know, because I have an extra WickerBill and I have extra Hellcat spoilers to play around with and show y'all how to fix things. I'm not finna show y'all how to take these tail lights out though, because it's like 8 o'clock and I'm finna hurry up and knock this out, because Forza has came out with a new update with Fast and Furious cars, and your boy finna go hop on the game. Add me though, you know what I'm saying? We can hop before you get gapped by my team now, you know what I'm saying? We don't lose over here. But that being said, man, it's your boy JCTV. I just got some new mods in too. But it's your boy JCTV, man. Let's see what words I'm gonna get out of today. Let's see. I gotta give y'all something good, something great. Let me see. I'll tell you this. I ain't got no words. I just got straight knowledge to get out. Let me sit down. A lot of times, fool, and I'm gonna also put on the bottom of the video to make sure that you listen to this part, because a lot of people get to the end of this and go, oh, it's over. He just rambling. No, listen to this, bro. Don't be a product of your environment. Don't let social media, turn you into a person that you're not, bro. A lot of people, once you learn how to not be a product of your environment and be the person that stands out, man, you'll be in such a better headspace, man. Be you, because at the end of the day, you are who you're surviving. With that being said, man, it's your boy JCTV. I'm out.
Pipe that shit up, TNT. That man probably KO.